All right, guys. I want to show you guys how to use your mobile phones to trade. Okay, I reckon that most of us are mobile phone users, and maybe you don't have laptop at the moment, but I can tell you that if you really know what you are doing, you can use your mobile phones. Okay. All right. So guys, now I'm looking at the trade of gold. I'm looking at gold 15 minutes chart. Okay. I just brought out this chart pattern that is on gold, that is descending triangle. Okay, but if you look at gold, you see that the market is you notice that the market is an uptrend. It's a buyer's market. Okay, but you know, oftentimes the market reverses temporarily before continuing on its upward journey. Okay, so what I have here now is gold. Okay, gold doing um you know at the moment being trapped within this descending triangle. Okay, so what I want to do now is that I want to see a breakout, okay, from this triangle. Okay, a break to the downside, then I I look for opportunity. Okay, the break may continue. The break may continue, um, along this support level. Okay, and I'll wait for a possible pullback. Okay, and that pullback is like a retest. Okay, so when I see such a pullback and a retest, then I can look for opportunity. Okay, I can look for opportunity, guys. So what we need to do is that let's continue to monitor this market. Let's continue to monitor it, okay, until it gives us something very that we can rely on. Okay, we need to see additional price action. Sorry guys, it's not easy to trade with your phone. It's just something you need to be patient about, and learn how to use it. Okay, all right, so let's continue to monitor. You can see there's a break apart, as if the market has broken to the upside. Okay, let's continue to monitor it. If this market closes above this trend line, okay, uh we can buy this instrument. We can buy it, or this commodity, excuse me, we can buy it. Okay, alternatively, um we wait for a retest. Okay, we wait for a retest. But if you ask me I want this candlestick to close above this trend line. Okay, I want to see it close above this trend line. If it didn't close above this trend line, then I will not enter a buy. Okay, so guys, you have to be very patient. Don't be following price about. Let price tell you what you want to do before you put the trade. Okay, so guys, let's continue to monitor it. Okay, all right. It brought light, you didn't tell me. It brought light, this my children didn't tell me. Alright, so we are still monitoring the market. I want to see the break to the upside, okay? I want to see market break to the upside. Then we look for opportunity to trade, okay? You can see that the market is doing its thing. It's doing its thing. No breakout yet, no breakup yet. So we're going to continue to monitor it. All right, good. Let's wait for another candlestick to close above further. That's not a proper close. Well, there is bearish rejection, okay, with that candlestick. You can call that resistance anyway. So let me go and short gold, guys, okay? Let me go and short gold. No, take long trade on gold. All right, so let me buy gold. Boom. Okay. All right, so let's buy gold. And okay. So sorry about that. Let me buy gold and place my stop loss here. Place my stop loss here. Okay. I'll place my stop loss here. Okay. All right. So what is that level? That level is that level. I want to place my stop loss here. Okay, so I can place it. I think it's better to place the stop loss here. Okay, I think it's better to place this stop loss here. Very smarter, below this major low here. All right, so that gives me 2324.05. 2324.05. So you come here. Okay. Okay. So there's 2324.05. Okay. So let's modify. Okay, so let's put my stop loss there. Okay, and let the market roll. Okay, let it roll. Okay, let it roll. Okay. Okay, so the other thing I want to mention here is that the reason why I took this buy is because this my momentum indicator is bullish and the RSI is above 50, which is also bullish. So my two confirmation indicators were all bullish. So that's why I entered a buy trade for gold. Okay, that's why I entered a buy trade. Okay, so guys, let's keep our fingers crossed and watch how this market will play out. Okay. Okay, just hold your peace. Hold your peace. Hold your peace, guys. Let's continue to follow this market. Okay. Hold your peace. Hold your peace. Don't be scared. All right. Hold your peace. Come in. Okay. Just hold your peace. Hold your peace. Let's see how it plays out. We have a smart stop loss in place. So if price hits that stop loss, then our thesis is completely wrong. Okay. So just hold your peace. Let's see what price will do. Okay. We have news coming out by. We have news. Let's see when we have news. Let's see the news that we have for the day. We have United States dollar news event. Okay, so this is 1:30 GMT plus 1. 1:30 p.m. Okay, so we are still at 11:37 a.m. So we have time to get out of the trades before these high impact news are released. Okay, so guys, of course, the gold is a dollar pair. Okay, gold is traded against the United States dollar. Okay, so if that news is bad for the dollar, gold will buy. If it is good for the dollar, gold will sell. Okay, so that is how we do it. All right, guys, so let's watch this market do its thing. Okay. Mm. Let's watch and see how this trade plays out, guys. Okay, that was why I placed this smart stop loss, because this is the lowest of lows in this market. If price goes below this low, then our entire thesis is wrong, guys. Okay, our entire thesis is wrong. That was why I placed that that stop loss here. Okay, if you look at this chart pattern, it's like a falling wedge. Okay, it's like a falling wedge. Of course, falling wedge is a continuation, bullish continuation pattern. Okay, so it depends how you also place this this trend line. I could actually bring it, to make it look like a wedge, somehow like this. Okay, somehow like this, but my stop loss will still be where it is. Let me show you what I mean, guys. Okay, let me show you what I mean. um, this is what I mean. Okay, I could actually place like this for it to look like a falling wedge. You can see. Okay, so a break above the wedge pattern, it's it's a bullish continuation pattern. Okay, so guys, let's just leave this market and see how it plays out. Okay, don't be scared, guys. If it hits our stop loss, no problem. We've placed it below structure. Okay, and I don't expect price to get to that place. If it gets below this low, then our entire thesis about this setup is wrong. Okay, or invalidated, as it were. Okay. So guys, I encourage us to always trade. Even if it's your demo account, trade every day. Trade. on your demo account trade. By the time you get used to your strategy, you practice it on a risk-free account. You build your confidence. You build your confidence, and you are ready to go live. Okay, don't be in a hurry to go live if you have not mastered the act, okay, of trading. You have to master the act of trading. Guys, use your demo account, make all the mistakes, commit all the errors, learn and perfect your strategy. Then you can prepare to go live, okay? All right, guys, so let's watch what the market will give us, okay? So let's keep monitoring this market. So guys, I will just leave it and do something else, okay? But the market will do its thing, okay? So let's continue to watch this market. So you can see here that we have a break of structure and retest of structure, and we expect that the market will push up. Okay. All right. Let's keep our fingers crossed. So if you're a day trader or a scalper, you trade off the 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so I'm using the 5 minutes time frame to analyze this market. Okay, or to look for trade entries. All right. So guys, everything that happens on the higher time frame is the same thing that happens on the lower time frame. Okay, so that is why we say price is fractal. Okay, so it's the way you look at your chart from the 4 hour time frame and what you expect to happen is the same thing you look at when you are in the lower time frame. Just that lower time frames you have to be in front of your computer to monitor your trade, and if you don't have that luxury of time, you may not be able to trade this lower time frame. But I have that time today. I decided to to watch the markets, and be in front of my screen and do the 5 minutes chart. Okay. All right, guys. Fingers crossed. Okay, you can see that price has gone reasonably in our position. For those of us who want to take partial profit at this point, you may start considering it, but I don't want to do that. I want to still wait for market to do its thing. Okay, you can see I'm trading with very low lot sizes. Okay, because this account is very small. If you look at it, just a $1,000 plus account. Okay, so it's a small account. I trade only one micro lot size. Okay. All right, guys, and that's what you should do. If you have a small account like this, do not trade big lot sizes. Make sure you trade small lot sizes. Okay. Okay, so now price has created some new lows. Okay, so this was the previous low, this is another swing low, so we can actually move our stop loss to this level. Okay, let me show you what I mean, guys. You can actually place your stop loss here, just below this moving average. Okay, you can place your stop loss below this moving average. Okay, so for me that gives me 23.24.91. Okay, 23.24.91. Okay, 23.24.91. Okay, 23.24.91. So you modify it. Okay, so you can see our stop loss has been moved to this level because a new low has been created here. This was the previous low below which we put our stop loss. That's a smart way to do it. But price has gone up, swung low, created a higher low. Alright, so we now placed our stop loss below that lower low. But I decided to use this moving average to place my stop loss below the moving average. That's a smart way to do it, guys. Okay, so let's continue to trade the market that way. All right, you can actually take partial here if you have space to do that, but for me there's no space to do that because I entered this market with the lowest lot size. Okay, had it been I entered with 0.02 lot size, I would have been able to take partial profit. Okay, all right, that's the way we do it. So guys, let's continue to monitor the market. Another thing you need to know here, if this market is able to break this high, let me show you what I mean. If market breaks this high, okay, if the market breaks this high here, all right, this high, then we know that a new obvious higher high has been created. Okay, a new obvious higher high has been created. You can see here, market is unable to, has not broken this high here. The market has not broken this high here or this high here. Okay, so if price closes above this high, which means this high has been mitigated. Okay, then the next high that will be mitigated is this other high. All right, so we look to see a close above this high, then we know that the real uptrend has resumed. Okay, of course you can see this is like a pullback. So if you put your Fibonacci, let me show you something, guys. If you put your Fibonacci, just a minute. If you put your Fibonacci, say from this low, let me let me see where I can place my Fibonacci. It's not easy using this trading from your phone really, but I'll try and see how I can get that sorted out. Okay. Um, let me put my Fibonacci retracement to Fibonacci. Say from this low. Oh, sorry about that. Say from this low. Okay. Okay. From this swing low, you know this is a swing low, all right? From this swing low to the swing high. So what do we have there? What do we have there? See, price reacted off the 38.2 Fibonacci level. Okay, you can see it. All right. So guys, that is what I want to let us know. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. Okay. Okay. Let's change the. Okay. Okay. So this is where I want to be. Um, okay. So price has been able to. Okay. Price has not been able. Okay. I think we've taken out this high. We've taken out this high. So the next high to take out is this high. Okay. And I think that high has been taken out. So guys, trust me, we're about to see price. Okay, that high has not been taken out. Okay, this high has not been taken out yet, so let's keep watching this market. Okay, let's keep watching the market. Okay, so where we are now, okay, if you're in these trades, you may take partials, but for me, I cannot because I I don't have a room for that. Okay, what I could do is that I'll continue to trail my stop. Okay, okay, continue to trail my stop. I can trail my stop further here, and trail my stop further here. Okay, I can take it to 23, 25, 16. Okay, 23, 25, 16. Okay, 23, 25, 16. Okay, 25.16. Okay, all right. Okay, so I've traded my stop loss further. Okay, as price is moving in my direction, I continue to trail. Okay, all right. So guys, this is live trading session. I want you guys to see how I do this trading. Okay, you can actually do it with your phone. if you are good, if you have learned how to do it properly, you can actually stay in the comfort of your home or office and be trading. Okay, you find you look for a wireless mouse and connect it to your phone and set it up properly so that you can use your mouse on your phone like the way I'm doing it now. I'm using a mouse, a wireless mouse, on this phone. All right, so guys, fingers crossed. Let's continue to monitor this market as it continues to move in our direction. Okay, all right. My daughter Ijoma didn't come to class today. She's running away from class. We were supposed to have class 2 days ago. She didn't come. Today again, she didn't come to class. I'll continue to encourage her to be attending classes. All right, and stop playing truancy. All right, guys, I'm back. So where are we? All right, so price is moving in our direction. If this candlestick closes up here, we've been able to take out this high. Okay, so we take out this high, price is sure going to continue to move to the upside, guys. Okay, so we just hope we're able to gain some traction before 1:30 p.m. Say maybe 1:25 we can get out of the market. Okay, this market has started trying to pull back. Okay, you can take some partial profits if you have the room to do that. Otherwise, we wait for this pullback to happen. Okay, maybe I could just close this trade. Okay, and wait for that pullback to finish happening. Okay, you can see this pullback is coming. You can see the momentum indicator is showing this terrible pullback. Okay, so it's a retracement, guys. Trust me, it's a retracement. After this retracement, the new move to the upside will continue. So guys, we're able to make some little cash there. Okay, we're able to make some little cash there. Okay, so guys, I don't want this video to be long. Okay, I can continue to follow this up later, but this video, I'll end this discussion here, or this training session here. Okay, the next video I'll do is about how to trade the news. Okay, some of my students on popular request asked me to do a video on that, so I'm going to do a video to teach you how to trade the news. Okay, using this FS calendar. Okay, I'll teach you guys how to trade the news. All right. Okay, all right. So guys, thank you very much. That's where we end this video. Okay, let me call up this video and